All right, so
Soprano.
everyone's going to get a blank piece of paper. All right, now you all have a blank piece of paper. Now don't do it yet. I'll tell you when to go, but I'm going to give you 1 minute to construct a paper airplane. All right, and whoever's can fly the furthest is going to get the points for their team. All right, you got it? All right, so you're going to have exactly 1 minute to create your paper airplane.
But it has to be
go.
an adult, papi.
So there you go. Starting to make the paper airplanes here.
Okay, Darrin and Richie.
You guys are 15 seconds in. You got time. So who's going to make the best paper airplane? The guys or the girls?
The girls. Oh, the girls. Yes. No, the guys.
We have a guy that works for Boeing. Is that...
We had a guy that is an engineering.
You got 25 seconds left.
Ooh, Richie, that was nice.
I know.
All right, you're down to your final 10 seconds. You still got time there.
Richie is nice. Uy, grandpa, what is that?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. Ladies, you're gonna stand at the edge of the stairs here, and then you're gonna throw it. Not yet. Just wait till I say. And then guys, you're gonna be over here, and that's where you're gonna throw from. And we're trying to get as many rows back into the theater as we possibly can. Who should throw first, a guy or a girl?
Guys.
Ladies first? All right, ladies first. So just stand there, right, see where that number 10 is. You just stand right there, and you just throw your airplane as far as it will fly. It landed on the bottom step. All right.
Good job.
Right on the 10, then you're gonna try to fly it as far as you can.
Ooh.
That's all right. First row. The row here in the middle. All right. So our next lady, fly your airplane.
Oh, first row.
Not too bad. A little further, but I think the guys are ahead. Though. The guys are ahead. All right.
This is the second row.
Yeah,
This is second row then.
the guys are a little further. All right. Next guy, come on over. That's a pretty good one. Ladies, who's next?
Come on, girl. Come on, let's go. Oh, no.
Good job. We got our next guy.
Come on, Grandpa. Oh!
There you go.
Good job, Grandpa.
That's okay. That was, you did a couple of flips, so you got style points. So they don't really count. All right, our next lady.
Come on, right up high. Get away,
I think our guy's a little further. All right, next guy.
Way to go.
Honey, you did great, baby.
Our final lady.
That's my husband.
Came back to it like a boomerang. Let's see how far our last guy can go.
Come on, brother. Oh, good, brother. Good.
But all right, the guys had the furthest plane, so they're going to get 5 points. All right, 5 points for the guys. You're going to return to your seats now. Our next game, we'll also make it worth 5 points, but this time we only need 2 volunteers, and we need one person who has